Hello, this is Jeff Bonner, CEO of JumpStart Wireless. I want to give you a quick demo of our system, but I want to start out by just talking about JumpStart Wireless. We're the experts in getting your business mobile, getting you onto small, cost-effective devices, and delivering the best customized wireless connectivity to your existing software systems. So what we're going to show you today is how that works and what it looks like on your device. You want to notice as we go through this that this is really simple. This does not require a lot of training. It's friendly to people who aren't necessarily knowledgeable or experienced with handheld devices, and it lets the person in the field focus on their work instead of focus on fiddling with a device or trying to learn how to make something happen with a laptop. So we keep it nice and simple, and let's dig in and do it. So let's dig in and take a look at how a work order works. You'll see on the screen here that there's 4 tasks, and that the most recent update to the server was at 6:20. So let's drill down on the task list, and in particular drill down on the work orders. You'll see there's 4 work orders here, and that might be dozens of different work orders, particularly in a preventive maintenance kind of situation. So you want to be able to quickly find the one you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for the generator. I can just start typing the key letters. So I type G, E, and you'll see it's now that was enough to limit it to kind of focus in and find the particular work order we're looking for. So again, I could start typing B, R, and again, that hones in, finds the particular one we're looking for. Let's drill down into that. So what you see here is all the details that the field technician needs to know to get the work done properly for that task. So it's a generator overhaul, the equipment number, the location, who it was reported by, a phone number in some cases. So once we've digested that, we know we're going to start this work. We'll hit the clock and we'll start work. So we have a time set now. And one of the things that in some jobs you want is you want to actually have a checklist. So something like a generator overhaul, there's a lot to do. So we'll put that checklist up, and then the person in the field, as they go ahead and do the work, they can check it off. So this is both a reminder and also a way to kind of check on, well, what did they actually do when they did the job. So that's enough of that checklist for now. We can also select the final status, so we'll do that. These status codes are the status codes that's in your desktop product, whether that's Sage Master Builder, Sage Timberline, Maximo, Remedy, whatever product you have, there's going to be a set of status codes. We'll bring those status codes down and display them directly in the device so the user can use it. And again, I want to emphasize here, this can be your form. You're seeing a particular company, a particular work process captured in this form. We're stepping someone through a process. In general, that's going to be your process and your work form. We'll start with your paper forms and turn them into this kind of a handheld device that lets you capture your process and put it in front of your staff. The other thing also to notice here is that this is really simple. You're stepping step by step through a form. Each question, it's popping up. We're minimizing the typing you have to do. You're selecting the people, in this case, the supervisor and the craftsperson that you need to, as you're going through and filling out this work order. The reporter is Scott Boyd. You can enter labor hours, so you might have had some assistance on the job. So Dan Coleman was there and worked with you for 5 hours. You also had Diana Blanco worked with you for 3 hours. So labor hours, you can enter materials. So I used 100 feet of plastic sheeting, and also I used 5 sheets of half-inch plywood. Oop, I did the search there. So I used half-inch plywood, and I used 5 of those, and so on. So I'm building up my materials, my parts list. I can also describe the failure. So So again, we'll say building too hot based on the fan. Generator for fan burned out. And that actually can be a combination of failure items. So just put in a general facility maintenance comments at all due for maintenance. So we're capturing the details, we're minimizing the text that has to be typed, and then you could enter general notes at all, needs complete overhaul later. And you set the clock for when was the end time. When you're ready to submit, you submit it, and that data is heading back into your management software effortlessly. No paperwork, no driving. You immediately get all the exact information up to the minute back into your system. That's it. Thank you very much.